dear students. Geography, Standard 6, Lesson number 6, Importance of Oceans, Part 2. Various food items. Many of us include fish in our diet. We get fish from rivers, lakes, and seas. The proportion of fish in seas is much greater than of those in rivers and lakes. Catching marine animals, that is, animals living in water, is a large scale activity around the world. It is one of the oldest occupations of human beings. The main reason to catch fishes is for food, but there are other uses also, like production of fertilizers, medicine, and also in research. Fishes found in India. In India, people mainly consume prawns, clams, crabs, surmai, mackerel, pomfret, Indian shark, Indian salmon, etc. The life of people from countries that have a coastline largely depends on the sea. Seychelles, Mauritius, Maldives, etc. are some of these. Oceans and climates. Here there is a table given. In it, place, country, the mean maximum temperature, the mean minimum temperature is mentioned. How you will get the answer for range of temperature? You will have to calculate the difference between mean maximum and minimum temperatures and write in the last column. This activity shows that there are differences in the temperature of different places on the earth. This difference is less in the coastal regions nearness to the sea, while it is more in the regions far away from the sea. Planetary winds. Equatorial region receives nearly perpendicular rays, whereas polar regions receive highly slant rays. This differential heating creates imbalance in the temperature of air and leads to formation of belts of high and low pressure belts on the earth. Winds blow due to pressure differences in these belts. These winds are called planetary winds. The oceans act as the controller of global temperature. The oceans have a vast expanse. Therefore, huge amounts of vapor gets created. From this vapor, the earth gets rainfall. Oceans are the source of rains. The beginning and end of the water cycle takes place in the oceans. Oceans and resources. We have seen earlier that we obtain salt, fish, shells, and other products from the ocean. Besides these, we get minerals like iron, lead, cobalt, sodium, manganese, chromium, zinc, etc. from the ocean floors. We also get mineral oil and natural gas. We get precious items like pearls, corals, or ornamental items like shells, as also medicinal plants from the seas. Oceanic transport. Oceans have provided us the most economic option of transportation. Large scale transport of goods is carried out with the help of ships, trawlers, boats, etc. International trade is carried out on a large scale using waterways. Countries like Spain, Norway, Japan have a good coastline. Ocean currents are quite important in water transport. As far as possible, water transport is carried out along ocean currents. They increase the speed of ships and also save fuel to a considerable extent. It is used to transport bulk materials like coal, crude oil, raw materials, metallic minerals, food grains, etc. Issues related to oceans. There are some issues mentioned over here. Oil spills, releasing the waste produced in the coastal cities in the seas, materials thrown out from ships, exploitative fishing, cutting of mangrove forests in coastal areas, disasters caused by the water mines, sewage released by industries and cities. About 70.8% of the surface of the earth is occupied by water. To fulfill his requirements, man undertake many activities. Because of these activities, different types of waste is collected. These waste materials causes pollution. Pollution of oceanic waters is a major and serious issue that has developed in recent times. As a result, many aquatic animals are under the threat of being extinct. Example, the blue whale, some types of sea turtles, dolphins, etc. Thank you.